Namaste everyone, this is Pooja and welcome to our channel Movement Masters. In this video, we are just going to go through what is happening with PCE clinicals in Canada right now. If you are following us on Instagram, you would have seen posts regarding the clinical component, clinical exams being cancelled once again. Clinical exams were supposed to be conducted virtually on 20th and 21st of March last weekend. It didn't happen because of technical issues. The whole exam site was crashed and no one was able to give the exam. So almost 500 people were waiting to give the exams on Saturday morning, but the exams were not conducted. Fine. The issue is, it's not the first time these exams were not conducted. So I gave my exams, written exams in November 2019, and since then they have not taken any practical exams. So there are many physiotherapy residents and even people who were residents, gave the practicals, were not able to clear them, are waiting so that they can clear the exams, they can become fully registered physiotherapists and get ahead in life. But that's not been happening. CAPR has cancelled the exams almost 3 times in last year. Since 2019 they have cancelled 3 times, and now people are irritated, they're frustrated, they're anxious because you have to take leaves from your work, you have to ask your employer to give you breaks, your whole family goes through the stress like, oh, the exam is coming, so they don't disturb you, this and that. So a lot has been going on. People have been trying to manage and keep the motivation up that the exams are coming, we'll give the exams. So initially the exams that were supposed to be conducted in March 2020 got cancelled due to COVID, understandable. Then they moved the exams to June, they could not conduct it. Then they moved the exams to November. Then they said, okay, you know what, we are not going to do any in-person exams. Now the exams are going to be conducted virtually. Everyone's like, okay, this is going to be different, this is going to be hard, or just different. But people are like, okay, let's get the exams done with. Then the first virtual exam was supposed to be conducted in March 2021. That didn't work out. So the thing is, a lot of us are really annoyed with the situation. Annoyed is just a very simple term to start with, but so yeah, if you are one of the few resident physiotherapists, one of the many resident physiotherapists who have been waiting to give the license exam, this is just to share that everyone is facing the same scenario. On Facebook there are many groups which are active. We are trying to sign petitions, so cancel the clinical. That's a petition that has been going around. More than 5,000 people have already signed. So if you come along, if you are seeing that petition, please think about signing it. I'll leave a link in the description below. Please, even if you are not in Canada, you can still support us. Just say that we support the situation that our physiotherapist colleagues are going through, and sign the petition. Consider signing the petition. Other than that, even if you are in Canada, if you are affected by this, go on CAPR's web page, Facebook page, comment there, make them aware of the situation, that we are not just numbers like 500 physiotherapists waiting or 1500 physiotherapists waiting. The thing is, we are actual human beings who are really put in a weird, annoying situation, frustrating, anxiety-inducing situation. So share your situations with them so that they understand. So far CPO went live today. I think they were live till 2 or 3 o'clock as of 23rd of March, and they said they can't really replace clinical component. They can't just say that if you are done with PC written, you can be a fully registered physiotherapist. They said that can't be a possibility. We are still hoping for it. So yeah, that's it. A class action lawsuit is being proposed. People are thinking of filing a class action lawsuit, and details of that are also available on Facebook. If possible, I'll put a link in the description as well. So yeah, that's the update. That's from my end. If you guys are in a similar situation, do think about leaving a comment below. Do think about sharing this so that we feel like we are not alone in this situation. We are trying to make the best out of it, and yeah, hopefully we'll have a solution soon. So for all those who are going through this situation, keep yourself motivated, and hopefully we'll get the answers right away. Take care, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye bye.